This is a one button, one screen device I made some time ago. It just has this main button, screen and the power on switch. Currently it's programmed to be a dice machine. I made the first version as a birthday present to my brother, since he plays a lot of board games. Back then I didn't have a 3D printer yet, so I just bolted it onto a CD-shaped disc. Let's open it. It is powered by two AA batteries. This is the latest PCB version of the device. Initially I made it on a perf board. I think I have made those about 5 or 6 already. Soldering those like that got really annoying. So I designed the PCB to make it easier. I actually have a whole stack of the PCBs. The perf board version has one problem. I am driving the LCD directly with 5 volts from the Arduino. It is actually designed for 3.3 volts, so the PCB version has a level shifter. I think this might be the reason the very first one I made for my brother failed. Because for that I also used 5 volts for the screen instead of 3.3. I left a hole on the side of the device that exposes the USB port of the Arduino, so the device can be programmed to do something else.